My grandmother, with her treasure trove of tips and tricks, stood as a testament to the art of managing and saving money effectively. These 20 grandma money tips and tricks are not just strategies. They're lessons in frugality, resourcefulness, and the subtle art of making the most out of what we have. Tip 1. Financial Feng Shui. Harness the ancient Chinese art of Feng Shui to attract wealth and prosperity. Arrange your financial space. This includes your wallet, your home office, and any place you handle money or financial documents in a way that aligns with Feng Shui principles. Clearing clutter and organizing these spaces can, according to Feng Shui, facilitate a smoother flow of energy and, by extension, wealth. Tip 2. The freezer budget trick. In a literal take on cooling off your spending habits, place your credit card in a container of water and freeze it. This forces you to thaw out your spending impulses, quite literally, making you reconsider each purchase as you wait for the ice to melt. Tip 3. Wear your savings on your sleeve. Imagine a wearable device that not only tracks your steps but also your spending habits. Each time you're about to make a non-essential purchase, it vibrates or flashes a warning. It's a high-tech solution for impulse control. Blend in the best of technology with the age-old wisdom of thinking before you buy. Tip 4. The 1 penny challenge, amplified. Take the penny saving challenge to a whole new level by doubling the amount each day. Start with 1 penny on day 1, 2 on day 2, 4 on day 3, and so on. This exponential growth is a hardcore twist on the original method, showcasing how small savings can rapidly snowball into a significant nest egg. Tip 5. Unsubscribe to save, using a decoy. To combat the incessant temptation of marketing emails, create a decoy email account for all your subscriptions. This way, your primary inbox remains a sanctuary of peace, free from the siren calls of flash sales and limited time offers, drastically reducing impulse purchases triggered by marketing. Tip 6. The grocery auction. Before heading to the grocery store, write down the maximum price you're willing to pay for each item on your list. Stick to these self-imposed bids, turning grocery shopping into a personal auction. It's a playful yet effective strategy to curb overspending on everyday essentials. Tip 7. Reverse haggling. Challenge the conventional wisdom of haggling by starting low and going higher, instead of the other way around. This counterintuitive approach can sometimes surprise sellers and lead to better deals, as it breaks the typical negotiation script and introduces an element of psychological play. Tip 8. Embrace a no-spend month. Pick a month, any month, to commit fully to spending money only on absolute necessities. This radical experiment forces you to differentiate between wants and needs, rediscover the resources you already have, and innovate in ways to enjoy life without opening your wallet. Tip 9. Digital detox for dollars. For every hour you spend away from digital screens, allocate $1 to your savings. It's a strategy that not only boosts your financial health, but also your mental and physical well-being, encouraging more active, engaged, and fulfilling ways to spend your time. Tip 10. Revitalize the barter system. In an age of digital transactions and credit, why not bring back the barter system? Exchange goods and services directly, without the intermediary of money. It's an approach that fosters community connection, reduces expenditure, and reminds us of the intrinsic value in goods and services beyond their price tags. Tip 11. Financial cosplay. Spend a day each month embodying the persona of your financial role model, whether it's Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, or even a frugal grandparent. Dress the part, make decisions as they would, and let their financial wisdom guide your day. It's an immersive, role-playing approach to financial discipline. Tip 12. The vampire energy hunt. Embark on a mission within your own home to seek out and slay vampire energy, the power consumed by electronics even when they're turned off. Equip yourself with a power strip and the knowledge of which devices are guilty, and watch as your electricity bill takes a dive. Tip 13. The library lottery. Rediscover the treasure trove that is your local library. Beyond books, many libraries offer access to tools, DVDs, online subscriptions, and more, all for free. It's like winning the lottery, with the prize being the wealth of resources available at your fingertips without spending a dime. Tip 14. Zero Waste Wallet Challenge. Adopt a zero-waste lifestyle, not just for the planet, but for your wallet too. By refusing to buy products with unnecessary packaging, opting for reusable options, and minimizing overall consumption, you'll find that saving the planet can also mean saving serious money. Tip 15. The Secret Santa Savings Plan. Implement a Secret Santa system for all gift-giving occasions among your family and friends. This approach not only cuts down on the number of gifts you need to purchase, but also adds an element of fun and mystery to gift exchanges, focusing on thoughtfulness rather than monetary value. Tip 16. Investment dressing. Elevate your approach to buying clothes by adopting the principle of investment dressing. This doesn't mean purchasing expensive designer outfits, but rather selecting pieces that are versatile, durable, and timeless. Before making a clothing purchase, challenge yourself to envision at least 3 different settings or occasions where you can wear the item, ensuring it's not just a one-hit wonder but a wardrobe staple. This method promotes a minimalist and intentional approach to fashion, saving you money in the long run by reducing the need for frequent purchases. Tip 17. The 30-day list. Impulse buying is a common financial pitfall. To combat this, implement the 30-day list strategy. Whenever you feel the urge to make a non-essential purchase, write the item down on a list along with the date. Then, impose a mandatory 30-day waiting period. If, after those 30 days, the item still feels like a must-have, consider making the purchase. Often, you'll find that the initial desire fades over time, helping you avoid unnecessary spending and keeping your budget intact. Tip 18. The Money Plant Challenge. Combine your financial goals with your love for gardening by starting the Money Plant Challenge. For each financial milestone you achieve, be it paying off a debt, reaching a savings goal, or receiving a raise, plant something new in your garden or a pot. This tangible representation of your financial successes not only beautifies your living space, but also serves as a constant reminder of your progress and growth. It's a unique way to celebrate your achievements and stay motivated on your financial journey. Tip 19. Phantom shopping. Satisfy the thrill of shopping without spending a penny through phantom shopping. Here's how it works. Go online and fill your shopping cart with everything you desire, then simply walk away without completing the purchase. This exercise allows you to experience the excitement of choosing items you love without the financial repercussions of actually buying them. Over time, you'll likely find that the joy comes more from the act of selection than the ownership itself, helping to curb your spending habits. Tip 20. Time travel budgeting. Last but not least, embark on a time travel budgeting adventure. Pretend you're living in a bygone era with significantly lower living costs and adjust your budget accordingly. For example, imagine you're budgeting in the 1950s, a time when the cost of living was much lower. This imaginative exercise challenges you to rethink your current spending habits, encourages frugality, and offers a fun and quirky way to save money. Plus, it provides a fascinating perspective on how our perceptions of needs and wants have evolved over time.